Let's talk about Princeton University, one of the most intellectually rigorous and historically prestigious institutions in the world. Located in New Jersey, USA, Princeton is not merely an Ivy League university, it is a symbol of academic depth, theoretical excellence, and elite scholarly culture. What distinguishes Princeton from many other top universities is its uncompromising focus on pure academic and research-driven thinking. Unlike institutions that emphasize large-scale professional training, Princeton prioritizes fundamental inquiry, whether in mathematics, economics, physics, philosophy, politics, or history. This is a university that values how deeply you think, not how loudly you market yourself. Princeton's academic environment is deliberately intimate. Small class sizes, tutorial-style teaching, and close faculty interaction ensure that students are not passive recipients of knowledge, but active participants in intellectual debates. The university is particularly renowned for its strength in theoretical sciences, economics, public policy, and the humanities, fields where conceptual clarity and analytical precision matter more than the surface level achievement. However, reaching Princeton requires more than just excellent grades. Admissions here are highly selective and strategically evaluated. The university looks for academic coherence, intellectual maturity, clarity of purpose, and a demonstrated capacity for independent thinking. Every element from standardized tests to academic writing, samples from research orientation to letters of recommendation must align with a clear scholarly narrative. This is exactly where Dr. Soros's classes plays a critical role for serious international aspirants. At Dr. Soros's classes, students are guided to move beyond generic preparation and towards profile-based strategic readiness. The mentoring focuses on building strong conceptual foundations suitable for Ivy League expectations, developing analytical writing and argumentation skills essential for SOPs and academic submissions. Understanding the Princeton style, academic mindset, theoretical depth over superficial breadth, structured guidance for entrance pathways, application timelines, and documentation strategy. Long-term academic planning for students targeting elite global universities. Princeton does not admit students impulsively. It admits students intellectually prepared for solitude, seriousness, and sustained academic rigor. That level of readiness demands structured guidance, disciplined preparation, and clarity of direction. Princeton is not for everyone, and that is precisely its strength. It is for those who value thought over noise, depth over display, and scholarship over shortcuts. With the right mentoring, preparation, and academic vision, the Ivy League is not distant. It is deliberate. Princeton defines excellence. Dr. Soros's classes helps you prepare for it.